so excited to be here in the beautiful Los Angeles, California area, promoting our new product launch of TKM, our texturizing keratin mist. All of our products are keratin-infused, which allows for healthy, manageable hair. So from our keratin treatments to our styling products, they're all water-based, all contain keratin, and all contain high-quality extracts.
We contacted the company, we brought the brand in, and we haven't looked back. It's been an amazing addition to our business. Now we average about 200 keratin treatments a year, which has increased our revenue about $40,000 to $50,000 a year, and it makes up for about 30% of our business, which is great.
LASIO is a keratin treatment that's going to take your salon business to another level.
One of our clients call it the fountain of youth because it really does change the texture of the hair and brings it back to life, and they absolutely love it. They ask for LASIO by name.